My name is Mary Ann Bowen. I am the Global R&D Lab Manager here in Manchester, New Hampshire. I've been working for VELCRO for 22 years in a lot of different roles. Technologies are changing. We have to keep up with what the industry is doing. So sometimes it's taking that time to do the research, the actual R and the R&D. In the R&D lab, we have a lot of different equipment. We have over 250 pieces, over 100 different standards we follow. We use mostly tensile testers, scales, and thickness gauges. So what a tensile tester does is it gives us the force of an engagement. So peel and shear are measurements that we use to decipher the difference between different designs. And peel is on a diaper, the tab. And so as we take the material and we separate it, it's the amount of force it takes to disengage the hook and loop together in the fastener on the diaper, for example. Shear is the actual force it takes for the product to go across each other. So for example, when the diaper is being worn, it's that friction between them that actually is measured. And so a customer wants to know that the diaper is going to stay on. They don't know the force related around that, but the R&D team does. So depending on the solution we're trying to design, we'll use these values of peel and shear to help distinguish between different applications. And we know that when we produce that product, we expect consistency and validation of the design along the way. We know the math and science behind the evaluation of the product. So it's more than just a fastener, it's the data.